In this video, I want to show you how to find the password of your HP LaserJet Pro 3001DW. There's two passwords that you may look for. The first one is the one for the Wi-Fi direct feature. To get that password, you simply go on the control panel over here, and you're going to press on this I button once. A paper will get printed. Make sure you have some paper inserted in the printer. If nothing comes out, press again on the I. Sometimes you need to press twice. All right. And now if you look over here, you're going to get the Wi-Fi direct icon, this one. And right under, you're going to get the name of your printer and Wi-Fi direct password with the password. Now, obviously, yours will be different than mine, so don't copy this one. Just do what I just showed you. This printer also has a password for the WPS. In case you're trying to connect the printer to a router and it's asking you for that password, well, you need to open this cover over here. And if we take a look at this sticker, you're going to find PIN. And this is the password you need to enter. So this is about it. These are the two passwords you will need on your HP LaserJet Pro 3001DW. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.